Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to start with a new playlist, that is Big Data Analytics. And in this video we're going to see what is big data. So big data refers to extremely large set of information that are too big and complex for regular computers to process easily. Big data is all type of information like text, images and videos that are collected from sources like social media, sensors and online shopping. By studying big data, companies and researchers can find patterns and make better decisions. So now we are going to see about the characteristics of big data. There are 5 E's. First one is volume. This is about the amount of data and comes from sources like social media, sensors and transaction. Then second is velocity. This is about the speed of data and the data flows in quickly, often in real time. Third is variety. This refers to the different types of data, and data comes in multiple forms, that is text, images, videos, etc. Fourth one is veracity, and this is about the quality and accuracy of data. Data quality can vary, with some information being messy or incomplete and may need cleaning. Fifth one is value. This is the benefit you get from analyzing data, and it turns raw data into useful information for businesses and researchers. So now we are going to say about the types of big data. Big data is of 3 types, that is structured data, semi-structured data and unstructured data. So first is the structured data is, it is organized in fixed format like rows and columns in databases, and it is easy to search and analyze, example sales records or customer info. Second is the semi-structured data, partially organized but not in a strict format. Examples include JSON files, XML files and emails with specific. Third type is unstructured data. It lacks a specific format and making it harder to process, and includes things like emails, social media posts, images and videos. So this was it for the introduction of big data, and thank you for watching till here.